Hello and welcome to another video by Theme Park Days. As we all was aware that Pleasurewood Hills was going to be doing a retheme. Well, it turns out that the rethemed ride will be Timber Falls. What do you guys think of the ride that's going to be rethemed? Do you think it'll be good? I had to use Timber Falls as the video because obviously that way when the retheme is done and the park's open we'll be able to see what the retheme looks like compared to the old ride. I can imagine Pleasurewood Hills having a few surprises about the ride. I mean, I reckon you probably are going to get wet. Probably a lot wetter than you used to get wet on the old Timber Falls ride. Hopefully they'll place some guns around the ride so that way we can pay to make people extra wet. Especially when it come round to the second drop. I mean, that was quite a high drop, so you did get very wet on that one. Well, that's pretty much it from a video from us today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below what you think of the retheme's going to be like. Do you think it'll be a major improvement to the park? We'll have to wait and find out.